Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. This is a Asian session, and this is opening of the market just about 2 hours ago, and today is the first session we are doing for Asian session. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. Then, okay, the key data that is going to be out today is, I think we have a RBA rate announcement at 12:30, and the forecast is market is expecting 0.25% cut, and followed by, I think we have a RBA monetary policy statement and RBA statement and press conference. Then tonight we have from Canada CPI. Then from the US we don't have any data, but I think FOMC member is giving a talk. That's about it. And as far as this open orders are concerned, okay, we don't have any open orders. Okay, and we have one working order this Aussie, selling, but of course we will make a adjustment to that. Okay, so let's start off to prepare for today's session. Okay, in fact, yesterday, if we looked at the trend map, yesterday was the the euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar closed above the previous day's high, which was I think the minus one was euro was an up close, pound was an up close, dollar yen was a down close, and Aussie was an up close, and New Zealand was an up close. So the rest of the market has been pretty quiet, like dollar Swiss uh, and dollar CAD. Then the gold was also flat. Okay, it wasn't flat. And when we look into the weekly, I think weekly is all literally flat because this is just first, sorry, second day of the trading week. Okay, let's move on to take a trade, and let's see whether we have any movement on the. Okay, literally all the markets are very quiet. Okay, we don't have any activity on the 15-minute and 30 minutes, so we don't be in a hurry to take any trades on this. So what we will be doing is we will be giving signals for the euro, pound, dollar, yen, Aussie, and New Zealand. And since Aussie altogether this five plus gold, okay, that we will see on the next session and see how we can go about it. So let's start off with euro. Okay, the previous day range was 112.90, and we are seeing market turning at 120 2-hour chart. Okay, but pound and the others all are showing no movement. So let's do that euro dollar first. So we look into 120. So now if we trade, we look into the system. Okay, what we expect is there is a probability that 112.90 might be the high. Okay, and if we look into the weekly, I think we have a strong resistance at 113.20. Okay, 113.20 and 113.50. So what we can do we can see whether the high is seen. If the high is seen, then we'll go for a sell with a range trading in mind. So let's see that, and let's look into the chart, then we put in the trade. Okay, as far as this euro is concerned, okay, we look into this euro. uh, okay, we look into the chart, and as I told you, we have to pay attention to the 120 uh, chart. So looking at it, okay, if we are going to trade this, then our target should be 11170 or 80. Then our stop has to be above 95. And if we see on the 15 minute, looks like we may have seen the temporary high, because market is trying to come down. So what we will do is we will go two types of trades on this. One is we will try to sell at 40, and the TP, we will go for a extension of this, which is 11210. Then we'll go for another trade, which is a sell at 75 with the high as the stop. So I'll give you two trades. One is euro selling 11275, 11305, 11215. Okay, 60 pips, and this is a one lot, and this, the expiry is, we will give until the next time belt. So when we come at 3 o'clock, we can make the adjustment for this. Then we will go for a scalping trade. Okay, scalping trade, we look into a sell at 112 40 45, and 75 stop, and 11215, and this is half lot, because this is a uh, uh, this is, we are trying to do a cautious sell. Okay, so this one the expiry, we would give maybe until 1 o'clock, because market is see, let's see, we get into this trade. Actually 11 o'clock plus 2. Okay, I think since we are doing nearby, I think 11 o'clock should be ideal. Okay, so we have two trades for euro. One is selling at 75, another one selling at 45. Okay, let me key in this order on my side. 45, 75, 15. Okay, the next trade we are going to go is pound. So looking at the pound, we don't have any market turn on any specific time, but this is literally flat on the 2 hour chart. So we will take the 2 hours levels as a guidance. So probably we will want to sell at 13375 or 134. So when we look into uh, think the PT zones is fine. Then when we look into the dashboard, we are seeing right now is 13355. So what we can do is we can go for a sell at 13370, and the exit has to be at 13320 or 13305, and another one at 13405 or better. Okay, 134. So let's see the chart. Then let's see whether we can get into this trade. Okay, so here when we look into, most likely this might be the high can be the previous day high. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to try to sell at 70, and we will exit before 20. Then another trade we will try to sell at 95 or 134. Okay, the exit would still remain the same. Okay, so let's do that. So we have a scalping entry selling at 70. Okay, 13370. Stop at 134 and TP at 13325, and this is half lot, and this is again 70, only having looking at 15 pips, so we will give until 11 o'clock, right? Then we would go for another entry at selling at 134. Stop 134 30 35 then exit at 133.25, and this one will go one lot, and this the time is we will give until the next time belt, and we will see the adjustment when we come in at 3 o'clock. So let me key in this order as well. Okay, selling at 70. Okay, so we have two trades so far. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Okay, we are going to see dollar yen. Yesterday was a down close, and we are seeing resistance at 120, which is 145.20, and we feel, okay, this is no activity on the 15-minute and the lower time frame, so we will take that as a guidance. Either we should be selling at near 145.20 or 145.60. Okay, so these are the two selling levels. Okay, so here when we look into the uh, dashboard, I think we don't have any buying force, we are only having a selling force. So either we sell at 45, 30 and 45, 60, and the TP should be before yesterday's low, which is 144.70, or if it breaks, then we may see 144.20. Okay, so let's look into the uh, chart. Okay, the daily, it says there is a support and this is within the range on the 360 with the market showing uh, in fact slightly higher lows but equal lows. So what we will do is we will go for a sell at 30 and extension of this, which can be 145.65 or 80. Okay, and the TP should be before that 144.80. So we have uh, two signals for this. One is we try to go for a sell 145.30, 65 stop, and 144.85 as TP, and this is half lot, and this is again since we are looking at about 50 pips away from now, so probably we can give until 1 o'clock. Then we will go for another trade which is near yesterday's high, or we can even put slightly higher, but I think yesterday's high should be fine. Selling at 145.65, 45.95, sorry, 45.95 and 1,485, and this is one lot, and this expiry is until the next time belt, so we can do the adjustments when we come into trade at during the Europe session. So we have three trades, and the next one is we are going to look for gold, Aussie, and New Zealand. Okay, so looking at the gold right now, we are seeing weakness on the 120, 60, and 30. So looks like we got to go for a trade on this. So gold, in fact, yesterday I said that today we should be going for a sell at the near the open, and open is 29.5, and the high is only 31.5. So let's see the chart. Okay, we should be looking to sell. Okay, one is try to sell at 24.5, another one at 38, 38.5. Okay, and the target, I think we should exit before 3208, which is yesterday's low is 3202. Okay, 3208 should be the target, and we have to see whether that 3217 breaks. Okay, now let's see the chart, then we decide how to play this game. Okay, so like as I said, we are seeing weakness on the 2 hours and 6 hours. So let's go for a sell at 24.5 and 18 as one target. Okay, so gold, okay, gold sell at 3224 half, stop and this is a cautious sell. Okay, stop at 3232 half and TP at TP at 3218. Okay, and this is a cautious sell. Okay, so we want to put this trade. Okay, then we have gold one more selling at 34 30 yeah, about 34 half. Then TP we will put at 3208. So this would be a, a sell and hold. Okay, sell, hold, sell and hold at 3234. Okay, 34 or 34 half. Then stop at 3239 half and TP at 3208. Okay, condition uh, condition 3217 has to break. Okay, so we can put in this gold order. Okay, so now the next one is we are going to see the Aussie. Okay, Aussie, there is a data interest rate announcement at 12:30. So what we should be doing is we would be seeing, trying to sell. Yesterday was an up close, and we are still not seeing any weakness. So we will try to sell higher. Okay. So where can we sell? We can go for a sell at 65.10 or 65 and TP at 64.40. Okay. So that is going to be a news trading. Aussie sell 65, stop 65.40 and 64.50. Okay, this is a news 12:30 out, so probably we will give until 1 o'clock. Okay, and yesterday we had given a sell on the day trading, which is also we have put it until 11. So I think this one we can either raise it higher, or we will raise it higher to 65. Let's see, yeah, about 65, 60. Then we can just let it see 560, 65, 90, 64 half, and this is one lot, and this one we can extend until the next time belt, okay, which is the third time belt which we want to see. So this is for Aussie. Okay, since we are doing a news trading on Aussie, so we can go for two more crosses against Aussie. Okay, the thing we can look for is Aussie up. So Aussie yen was up, Aussie Swiss was up, and in fact Aussie Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie has been flat, but your 2 hours is already telling you that this market is already turned down. So maybe we will look into Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, then maybe Aussie yen. Okay, so let's see. Okay, okay. Here we look into Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie has already, the previous day high was 75.30 and current high is 74.25. So looks like the market may have seen the high for Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Okay, so that means uh, if we are seeing the high, we have to look for a sell, or if we see Aussie weakness, then we have to go for a buy. So let's see where can we go for a buy, and let's see the weekly. I think we are seeing strong support at 73 and 72.80. Okay, so since we are expecting a Aussie weakness, we can look to go for a buy. Okay, so here if we see Euro Aussie, okay, this is being down, and we are seeing this market most likely, we see we'll go for a buy in extension of this level. Okay, probably we look to buy at 73 70 or 60. Then TP will try to exit at 74.70. Okay, so here news trading, Euro Aussie, we are going to buy at 173 70. Okay, let me see. I think we'll put it as 60 or 65. Stop at 73.25 and 74.70. Okay, so this is we'll put until 1 o'clock. That means after the data is out. Then we will go for pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. Looks like it may have seen the low. Okay, it may have seen the low, but I think we will try to put at 206.60 and TP at 740. 740 or 760. Okay, 760. So pound Aussie, we are going to buy 206.60, 20, 207, 760. Okay, 760. Okay, this is also until 1 o'clock. Okay, then finally we will have Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen. We may have seen the uh, high, or we can expect a slightly higher towards in fact yesterday's high is 93.70. So let's say we see one more push higher, so we will try to sell at either 93.80 or 94. And the TP should be 93 40. Okay, 93.40. So we go for a sell. Okay, sell on Aussie yen, selling at 94, 93, 40 or 50. Okay, we'll put it as 45. This is also until 1 o'clock. Okay, I think that's about it. Then I'll see you all again during Europe session. So the orders we have given is, these are the key orders you may want to key in. Then you wait for the result on the Europe session. So most likely we will know what is the outcome and we see. Okay. So thank you very much. So I'll see you again at Europe session. Thank you. Bye.